starts so quick.
Yep.
Oh, it's on the other side?
Yep.
And it looks heavy. Uh-oh.
Oh, it's not. Okay, thank God. Oh, shoot.
Uh-oh. You go first.
Oh, Mom.
Please don't die, Chevy.
We're the cameramans. We're okay. We are okay. Oh, it's hot. Mother of God.
The winds are crazy though.
Yeah. It's giving it so much fuel. Yeah, look the way it just flipped on the side there.